Guys, today's the day. Got the wheels out, got the 46 out. About to head to my brother's. We're finna install the back coilovers, put some new tires on this shit so we can slap it on the Beamer. Oh, hopefully it goes good. See you guys on my brother's. Back, my brother's. We're gonna jack the car up, take all the wheels off, take the new rims to the tire shop. Got all the fucking wheels out. Got the fucking shock out. There's 2 bolts here in the back trunk. Took out. It's gonna be another bolt right here. That's all you have to do. Take out this one. Got the fucking shock in.
It's probably like this much, like literally like this much from touching the whole spring together. Dude, I'll get my car here.
Alright guys, we got that shit in. After an hour,
On
to the next. There guys, the left one's gonna be on this side. This panel. Took it out here. Look how bad these were. Adjusting. Springs in. Almost done here.
A few moments later.
We made it to the tire shop.
We made it, bro. We made it. Woo! Thank God they opened.
Why is that one more than the shop?
Eternity later.
Made it back 30 minutes later.
You know what I'm gonna do today? But today, guys. No?
You guys need tires? Stretch tires, come to this place. These stretch tires here, guys. We couldn't find nowhere else but here. Les Schwab, Commercial Tires didn't want to do it. It's the only guy that wanted to do it. So if you guys need any stretch tires, come here.
They got the stretching it.
Shot it with that air.
Yeah, they shot it.
Shit, boy. These the wheels, guys. Been waiting for this day for the longest. What do you think? Crazy?
This fucking looks sick. It's not like an over exaggerated
Yeah.
stretch. It's like a good stretch.
Perfect.
This is the same stretch Trevor has on his Subaru, which are 10.5s as well.
Yes, sir. Look what the fuck I just did to my fucking wheels, bruh.
Fucking just dropped.
So I had them standing on the fucking gravel, and it just fucking dropped on the face, bruh.
Look at this
So
shit.
now it's just scraped everywhere. Oh, fuck no. If it's not one problem, it's another fucking problem, guys. Oh well. We're back. These are the wheels and shit. Pretty. Look at them wheels, white as hell. When we install them, I'm gonna show you guys.
Okay, guys, we had to fucking, what do you call it? Re-dye it or
Rethread it.
rethread this shit to a bigger pitch since European cars, they don't have the right pitch thread for these fuckers. So we ended up using this piece, rethreaded it a little bit bigger because this thing was trashed. But anyways, it looks like it works now. So hopefully this fucker fits in here.
Yes. Barely.
Is it long enough?
All right, let them know what happened. What happened?
Fucking mess after mess. I'm tired of this shit.
Pain in the ass, but we got it.
It's not the right fucking fitment we wanted, but it's gonna do what it can for now. Just need more
We
camber.
actually had to switch that to the lowering springs we already had because it was too low. We couldn't fucking tuck my wheels in. And the camber arms were freaking stuck, so we couldn't even adjust them. But, yep, we got the wheels on, everything. Alright guys, we finally got the fucking wheels on. You can see. Time to fucking put the jack down and see how it looks. Hopefully, it clears. Barely, bro. Yeah, he's gonna be fine, bro. You're fine, bro. Oh my god. How do you feel right now, dude? Woo! I feel amazing, bro. I never thought I'd be in this situation there, but look, here we are after a couple hours. We couldn't get the perfect fitment, but it's rideable. I'm happy. That's all that matters, man.
It looks fucking sick.
Dude, that's crazy.
He actually made it.
After so long, though?
Dude,
It just needs a wash.
Make sure you guys
Ignore the dirtiness of the car right now. It needs a wash.
and hopefully get this thing bagged, you know, and be part of the team.
That's the fucking goal. Hope you guys liked the fucking video, because we're on the sun for you guys. It's fucking hot as hell, bro. Finally got it. This
You
is
can still go more low.
outcome. Yeah, definitely.
yeah, but
Finally, bro. After so fucking long.
Put all these tools in there. You're gonna help me pick up my tools.
Sheesh! You should like turn the wheel. Let's see.
Clear.
Yeah, it clears. Now this way. Let's go here. Shit! You see the back, bro? That shit sticks out like crazy. God damn! Damn. That shit looks fucking sexy. Ah, bro. That shit looks fucking sexy. Thumbs up, guys, if you guys like this fucking video, because we're on the sun for you guys here. It's fucking hot, huh?
You guys want to get your shit stands? Come to our channel. We
Yeah.
stands any car.
We stand literally, even fucking Euro cars now. First time doing that shit, huh?
Fuck yeah. This is the first time stancing a Beamer car.
Yes, sir. And we did it.
Damn.
That shit looks beautiful. I love it. How do you like it, Drayden? Cool? Damn. Fucking sexy as hell. We got it, boys. Alright, guys. We got the car ready. After so long, it's gonna be the end of the part of the video, guys. So tired, exhausted. I'm doing this for you guys. So if you guys want more content for this, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I'll make sure to take out all the fucking bangers in this bitch, bro. I'm so proud of myself for doing this shit. I never thought I'd be in this situation. Appreciate my brothers for helping me. Appreciate Trevor.
Trilogy, I crash, but the icy, I'm splashing. Spilling on my fabric, that's when I get the maddest. Foreign bit the baddest. Wrestle in her baggage, wrestle in the attic. Chopper make 'em vanish.